Monetary. It's time the monkey climbed the money tree.
Hey humanity! If you've ever looked at your bank balance and felt personally attacked, don't worry. Your brain is not modern. Your brain is in 10,000 BC with Wi Fi. Welcome to Monetary, the channel where we explain money using psychology, evolution, and a little bit of emotional trauma. We are here today to explain that the modern world is not equal to the modern brain. We still have the caveman software. Your body is from 2025, but your brain is from Stone Age. So when you're spending money, you're actually running on the caveman code, which means Stone Age brain plus credit cards equals to bankruptcy. In 10,000 BC, survival meant eat when you can, grab resources immediately, and if you find something rare, take it now. So, naturally, today, when we look at our food app discounts, it leads to a sense of urgent hunting opportunity. End of season sales become a mammoth sighting, and that phone you don't even need becomes a shiny rock that you must have. So, here's a new concept for you, which is TRS, Temporary Rich Syndrome. Back then, if the food was available, you feasted. If water was available, you drank. And if you saw some juicy berries, you gobbled. Today, salary hits your account and your brain goes, resources have arrived, let's begin the feasting. This is your brain in feast mode and you in spend mode. This is TRS, Temporary Rich Syndrome, but it is biologically accurate. Your brain thinks salary equals to a successful hunting, and successful hunting must be celebrated. So you celebrate it by financially destroying yourself within 48 hours. Now, your monkey mind is the real CFO. You think you make financial decisions? No. Your monkey mind makes them zero point 0.2 seconds before you even realize. The monkey mind loves novelty, dopamine, shortcuts, zero effort, and immediate pleasure. If the logical mind is your disciplined CA, the monkey mind is that intern who sets the office on fire. Which means your monkey mind is greater than your MBA mind. That's why you buy stuff you swore you wouldn't even buy. The monkey mind does not know of a budget. It just says, oh look, nice shiny thing I want now. This scarcity brain is your ancient fear factory. In the wild, scarcity was real. So if the food was gone, your tribe dies. If the shelter went missing, your tribe dies. And if the winter is coming, everyone dies. So your brain evolved to panic when something feels limited. Hence, you fall for the gimmicks such as only two left, flash sale ends in 3 hours, order now or regret later. You fall for these gimmicks because they signal scarcity. Scarcity signal leads to panic, which leads to a purchase. In reality, there are 5 lakh items in stock already. Nothing is scarce except your savings. So, the 10,000 BC monkey mind is in mismatch with the 2025 economy. Your brain was built for survival, not online shopping. It evolved to handle 50 choices, not the 5 million choices we have today. It evolved to handle one village, not the 1.4 billion people we are constantly in contact with today. It evolved to handle a slow life, not the endless notifications attacking you every minute these days. So, your ancient brain is overwhelmed. And when overwhelmed, what does it do? Overwhelm leads to an impulse which provides easy dopamine. This in turn justifies buying things to feel temporarily okay. So, why do we spend money like cavemen? Because your brain still thinks resources must be converted into fast pleasure. In 10,000 BC, if resources came, we had to use them fast because the future was not guaranteed. In 2025, if salary comes, we again use it fast, even though the economy is way more developed. We have mismatched wiring. Your brain still thinks spending equals to survival, but today, saving equals to survival. So, how do you outsmart your monkey mind? Solution 1: automate savings. If your monkey mind can't see the money, it can't eat the money. Thereby, hidden money equals to saved money. Solution 2: 24-hour rule. Your Stone Age brain acts fast because it evolved under scarcity. Make that brain wait. Teach it patience. Because patience equals to power. If you give yourself 24 hours before purchasing, you may not feel the need to make the purchase itself. And this helps separate out the necessary purchases from the impulsive purchases. Solution 3: dopamine replacement. You don't crave the item, you crave the dopamine. Replace the shopping dopamine with workouts, online courses, planning goals, organizing social events, basically anything that doesn't require credit or debit cards. So, the truth is, you are not financially irresponsible. You're just running on an ancient software in a modern world. Your monkey mind plus Stone Age wiring minus the awareness leads you to being broke. However, your monkey mind plus awareness plus systems equals to you being rich. So, as I always say, financial freedom isn't the finish line. It's just the altitude where your perspective changes. And if that made your monkey mind pause and think, then hit subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts down below. Join us every week as we weave biology, finance, and evolution into one big climb together up the money tree. Thanks for watching. I'll be in my tree if you need me. See you soon, right here on Monetary.